Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to be talking about, can you use Cash App without a card or bank account? Yes, users can enjoy Cash App without a linked bank account or a card. However, not linking a bank account to your Cash App account has its drawbacks. Without a linked bank account, the service cannot verify your account, leading to some restrictions on its features. Typically, unverified accounts will have limits to the transactions they can perform. For instance, an unverified account can only send a maximum of $250 a week and receive a maximum of $1,000 a month. Verifying the account by linking a bank account to the Cash App will increase these ceilings. If you want to use Cash App for business, you will most likely need to verify your account. Aside from linking a bank account, verifying your account requires providing some personal details such as your full name, date of birth, and your social security number. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.